Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Bing and selecting the video generator. Sign in so your prompts are saved. Next, pick the format, landscape, portrait, or square. Since aspect ratio affects framing, choose 16:9 for standard web playback. Then gather your essentials, a 2040 word script, 1-3 images, and an optional music track. This speeds generation. Once done, paste your prompt into the text box and press the Create button so the engine can analyze tone, pacing, and visual cues immediately. You now refine the prompt to control output, specify subject, desired style, and voice tone, and add the target duration in seconds so timing stays predictable. Then map scenes by assigning seconds per clip and note transition types. That ensures flow and avoids abrupt cuts. Upload any images or video and tag each asset with a timestamp where it should appear, because the generator uses those anchors to align visuals and narration. Make sure to preview and adjust pacing until it feels natural. You finish by previewing the draft thoroughly. Check pacing, captions, and audio balance, and then export at your chosen quality: 720p, 1080p, or 4K, depending on delivery needs. If something breaks, simplify the prompt, remove excess assets, or clear your browser cache and try again, because many issues stem from overload or stale data. Finally, tweak voice settings or rephrase problematic lines, and regenerate only the affected clips so you preserve time while ensuring a clean final video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.